Okay, so last lesson, we got going down a street, and then we learned about stopping at the side. And that's all very good, except almost everywhere you drive, we're going to come to a corner. Now up ahead of us, there's a corner. And we're going to have to turn that corner, otherwise we're going to end up in that house. So we don't want to do that. So first of all, I'm going to show you classic mistake most learner drivers. Looking just 10 meters in front of the car, down at the ground here, holding onto the wheel for dear life, and looking straight ahead. Just like this. And then they get to the corner, and all of a sudden, we're supposed to be going around this corner. And so there's all this trying to miss everything sort of problem, right? And it doesn't work really well, and it's really scary for you. And because I sort of was able to think about it, I got the brakes on them, but that's a classic learner corner, right? Maybe for the first one. Worst case. So now, let's look at what we should be doing to make a corner work, So we're just going to stop in front of this corner and talk for a moment about how it looks. First of all, even though I'm approaching here, I have already looked 2 or 3 times across that garden to where that road is. Now that's already setting up in my mind where I'm going to finish the turn. As I come back to the corner, I'm going to start looking left and right to see the shape of the corner, the shape of that road, and now I have looked back again. I've looked again to where I'm going to go around that corner, because my brain needs to know where this turn's going to finish before it can ever start it properly. So I'm coming back to the corner and I'm looking left and right. I'm looking down at the curb because I want to see where that is, because I don't really want to hit that. But that's only, and the brain is now remembering where that curb is, looking left and right. And the car, we can start, because my brain knows where I want to go, I'm steering it around the corner. And then I'm looking left and right, holding the wheel gently, not holding it tightly, and doing it really slowly. And if your first turn with your learner is that slow, that's great. That's fine. Just roll really carefully around the corner. Okay? So there's some thoughts on getting to turn a corner.